In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete browsing history on Brave browser. If your address bar is cluttered with old suggestions, or you just want a fresh start for privacy, clearing your history in Brave is quick and straightforward. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly what you're changing and why. Begin by opening your Brave browser on your computer. Once it's open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three-line menu icon. This opens Brave's main menu, where all of your preferences and tools live. From here, choose Settings. That takes you to the control center for how Brave behaves. On the Settings page, find the section labeled Privacy and Security in the left-hand sidebar and click it. This area focuses on what Brave stores locally and how it protects you online. In the main panel, select Delete Browsing Data. You might see a simple layout or tabs like Basic and Advanced. Either way, we'll use the standard options most people need. Before you clear anything, take a moment to choose the time range that fits your situation. You can remove just the last hour if you made a quick mistake, or select all time for a complete reset. Next, make sure the boxes for browsing history and download history are checked. Browsing history is the list of sites you've visited. Download history is simply the record of files you downloaded. It won't delete the files themselves from your computer, just the log inside Brave. You may also notice options for cookies and cached images. Those can help with troubleshooting, but they're not required for clearing history. Keep in mind, removing cookies can sign you out of websites, and clearing the cache can make pages load a bit slower the next time you visit. If your goal is strictly to erase your trail of visited sites and downloads, leave those unchecked. When you're confident with your selections, click Delete Data. Depending on how much history you're clearing, this might take a few moments. Once it finishes, your history and download list are removed for the time range you chose. That's all there is to it. You've cleaned up your Brave browser, which can help improve privacy and make the browser feel snappier. If you want to confirm, open a new tab and start typing a site you visited earlier. Fewer autocomplete suggestions usually means the history is cleared. Thanks for watching, and enjoy browsing with a cleaner slate.